Welcome to the Collection at the Residence Club, where you'll find magnificent properties that feature an emphasis on indoor-outdoor living and are built with the highest quality materials. With over 3,500 square feet of luxurious living space, these homes are designed with resort-style living in mind and can be customized to meet your specific needs. Highlights include expansive great rooms that feature floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors and are perfect for entertaining. The dual master suites and a casita with a separate entrance allow for loads of space, comfort, and privacy. A wet bar featuring a Marvell stainless refrigerator and wine cooler. Quartz counters, porcelain tile floors, along with quality Bosch and Thermador appliances throughout. And finally, upgraded wall-to-wall carpeting in the bedrooms and closets. Exterior highlights include spacious backyards that feature a PebbleTech pool and spa, accent lighting, and a fire pit to enjoy the warm desert days and cool evenings all year long. Amenities at the Residence Club include a private clubhouse, ultra-modern fitness facility, 3 putting greens, and maybe best of all, 5-star service that includes a bellman, housekeeping services, grocery delivery, and a concierge. Call us today to find out how the Collection at the Residence Club can make your desert lifestyle dreams come true.